Today we're gonna make smoked s'mores. All that barbecue fun in a party platter. First, gonna need some pans. Next, we're gonna need some graham crackers. And of course some jet puffed marshmallows. And it ain't a s'more if you don't use an original Hershey's bar. And some cooking spray might help keep it from sticking. This is one of the few times you don't need aluminum foil. I'm gonna spray the pans. Place these lovely cookies they call crackers. Only full sections of chocolate bars will do, my friend. And then there was jet puffed. We're gonna throw it in the smoker at about 175. If you want to keep from making a huge mess, then go ahead and put the bottoms and the marshmallows in for 45 minutes and then add the chocolate and the tops later. That will keep the chocolate from being so messy. After some time, I've taken them out. I'm putting the tops on. Total cook time is an hour to an hour and a half to get them perfect. They've now been in for about 45 minutes. We're going to put them in for another 15 to 30 minutes to finish them off. And voila, here's our finished product. Now we're going to cut them in half. And this is how it's going to look when we dish them up. Enjoy. Campfire s'mores have been a favorite of my family for years. Hopefully you enjoy this new way of making them, and we'll see you on the next episode.